Spin mops are designed to take the ick factor out of wet mopping, eliminating the chore of hand cleaning your mop head. Instead, spin mops include various ways to cleanse automatically and dry mop heads, including innovative handles, foot pedals, and buckets to make touchless wringing possible. Most spin mops are also affordable, offering an inexpensive addition to your cleaning arsenal. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best spin mops you could buy now. You can easily decide which is best for you. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop. The O-Cedar EasyWring Microfiber Spin Mop is a smart twist on a traditional string mop. This offer includes one EasyWring refill, and each EasyWring microfiber refill lasts up to 3 months. It comes with a special bucket with a pedal-powered compartment that spins the water out of your mop, making it quick and easy to wring out water and dirt. The mop works quickly and efficiently on large spills, soaking up any liquids readily. It performed equally well when used to pick up dry paprika thanks to its microfiber strands and earned a 5-star rating for effectiveness. While many mop heads are rectangular, the O-Cedar mop has a triangular head that fits into corners easily. This mop is that grit and grime gets stuck in the head, making it hard to clean out once you're done mopping. However, the heads are machine washable, so you can let your washing machine take care of the hard part if needed. In addition, this mop has a 4.5-star rating for overall value because they weren't sure how long it was made to last. Plus, Barry notes that the O-Cedar mop is quite bulky to store and may not be the best option for someone who lives in an apartment or small space. Number 6. Microfiber Wholesale 18-inch Professional Microfiber Mop. The Microfiber Wholesale 18 Professional Microfiber Mop is ideal if you have a lot of floors to clean. Its rectangular mop head is 18 inches wide and comes with wet and dry microfiber mopping pads, allowing you to soak up spills or pick up dust bunnies. It does a good job soaking up spills but is not as effective in cleaning dry materials. This mop is its telescoping metal handle, which felt substantially more heavy-duty than most other options. It can extend up to 70 inches, making it an amazing option for a household with several members who want to help with chores. You'll want to put the microfiber pad in the washing machine to clean it between uses. In addition, the handle may need to be tightened often. This kit has everything you need for perfect, professionally cleaned floors. First, remove dust, pet hair, dirt, and debris from your floors with the Mojave Dust Mop, then follow up with the premium wet mop pads for a deeper pro clean. It's easily breezed through the most challenging corners, nooks, and crannies of your home. Then make quick work of open floor areas with our 18-inch professional mop pads. Number 5. Bushing Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set. The Bushing Mop and Bucket with Wringer Set have 360-degree rotatable rectangular mop heads, which makes it more suitable for cleaning corners and narrow spaces than triangular and round mops. Perfect for floor and window cleaning in home and office. It excels on virtually all types of flooring, cleaning up wet and dry messes easily, and it comes with an intuitive bucket that wrings out the head for you. This mop comes with 3 washable microfiber pads that can be wet or dry. The unique bucket has 2 compartments, one for water and soap and one for wringing it out. This mop head can automatically rebound within 30 degrees without touching. As a result, it can effectively prevent dirt from getting on your hands. The bucket comes with 2 grooves, one for cleaning and the other for drying. With simple up and down, 2 scraping blades will help clean the mop or control the moisture level quickly and effectively. The pieces are compact enough to fit effortlessly inside the bucket when you don't use it. Just put household cleaning tools in the corner and never worry about taking up too much space. The mop and bucket with a Wringer Set have 3 microfiber pads with excellent water absorption, making it perfect for wet and dry cleaning. You can wash the mop pads in the washing machine while maintaining effective cleaning. Number 4. BISSELL 2075A Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop. The BISSELL 2075A Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop also offers a lot more functionality. This mop uses hot steam to clean and sanitize hard floors without chemicals. Plus, it boasts a large collection of attachments so that you can use it throughout the house. The attachments and accessories include a grout tool, angle tool, flat scraper, bristle scrub brush, and clothing steamer, many of which can be stored on the bottom of the unit for convenience. You can use this mop on virtually any sealed floor, tile, bathroom surfaces, appliances, and more. It has 2 steam settings, and while it was effective at picking up messes, it came with more than 3 mop heads, as they can get dirty quickly while cleaning. It is also a corded pick, so you're a bit limited where you can clean, and assembly takes longer than a standard, simple mop that's essentially ready for use out of the box. However, that comes with the territory, and this product is in more ways than one. Number 3. Shark VM252 Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum Mop. The Shark VM252 Cordless Hard Floor Vacuum Mop combines powerful suction and amp spray mopping in one disposable pad. This vacuum and spray mop combo uses powerful suction to pull dirt and debris into its disposable vac mop pad. Then, it removes the dirty pad with a touch of a button and never touches a dirty pad again. Once all loose debris is picked up, spray the cleaning solution from the onboard container to make any hard and sealed floor shine. This cleaning tool is lightweight and easy to maneuver into tight areas, like under a bar cart. A light on the floor head also allows you to see into poorly lit areas that you'd like to vacuum and mop. As a bonus, it's cordless, making it much more convenient. A long-term, at-home tester found that the battery life is generally long enough to complete several small tasks or one big deep clean of a townhouse. They like charging the vacuum overnight so they can wake up and use it again. The vac mop has 5 stars for effectiveness and portability, noting that it's also quiet. However, remember that the mopping pads double as a dirt chamber. So while you'll receive a couple in the original package, you'll also need more refill pads to continue using the vac mop to tidy up your space. Number 2. PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop. The PurSteam 10-in-1 Steam Mop heats up in just 17 seconds and can run for up to 25 minutes when the 12.8-ounce tank is filled completely. Along with having intuitive setup instructions, it has an adjustable dial that controls steam output. The water tank will also signal via vibration and beeping sound when it has run out of water. In terms of maneuverability, this mop was not only easy to move around, but also simple to fill and remove from the base. It has a whopping 7 attachments that make it a true all-in-one cleaning tool for garments, windows, shower tiles, and furniture. It also easily tackled a variety of stains on both tile and concrete. This mop head is quite large though, which can make it difficult to do detailed cleaning on floors. But its multiple attachments and handheld feature make up for the size of the main head. Number 1. Swiffer WetJet Hardwood and Floor Spray Mop. The Swiffer WetJet Hardwood and Floor Spray Mop boasts the same convenience as the beloved Swiffer sweeper, but it offers more cleaning power, thanks to its onboard cleaning solution. You can spray the solution using a button on the handle, and then use the disposable cleaning pads to trap dirt and grime on your floor. While you'll need to apply pressure for tough stains, the starter kit comes with 2 styles of mopping pads for targeting different spills, stains, and messes. The Swiffer WetJet starter kit also includes a bottle of cleaning solution and batteries, which is key because the spray mop requires 4A batteries to operate. All in all, setting up this product is a breeze. Another detail that its curved handle, which makes it more comfortable to hold and steer around the floor and into corners. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.